Hi guys, welcome back to my channel CRD Modes, and this is Rahul. So we have a Royal Enfield Thunderbird which is customized here. Let's check this vehicle out. So in this vehicle we have customized one of the part is the headlight. If you can check this headlight, it has a beautiful LED headlight, and we have done a custom paint job. If you can just check the paint job, it has a beautiful matte glow finish, like it's like a little bit of sparkle added to the paint. And we have customized the chassis. The seating is a bit similar to a Interceptor, and you can just check this leatherite tan color seat, which is very perfectly shaped. And for this vehicle, it's a very good opportunity to go for long drives because it has a very good seating position. If you can just check out these wheels, you can just go for the off-road wheels. As of now we didn't change that, but in the future if you want to change that, you can go for the off-road wheels. And it has a beautiful rear tail lamp. Let me show you that. This is a rear tail lamp, and you have an option of parking light, brake light. Let me show you the brake light, how it works. This is the work, and also I'm going to show you the hazard lighting, how it works. This is the way how it works. So let us check out the vehicle in most of the view. Like, it has a very good comfortable seat for the two-seater also. It has come with a customized vinyls. If you can see that, the eagle and with a RE logo, and just beside that we have a CRD modes. So it's customized by CRD modes, and you can just check out the vehicle. It's a beautiful, it's very the vinyls are very beautiful in a way, like where is the sharp edges over there. And you have a strip line on the tank. You can just check this out. It makes a partition of the tank, and which inclines to the entire vehicle. And you can just check this seat, how it's in a proper shape, where you can slide in and you can hook up there. And let me show you the headlight and the front part of the vehicle. And this is the headlight. Let me on it out. It has the angel ring, and it has the stock indicators because these are very much priority indicators. So guys, it has one of the beautiful headlight, as I told you. It is an orange mark when you press the brake, so it has an option for that. So as you see it, it's going to blink orange and black. It's not with the indicator, guys, it's with the brake light. So we have set up in this way. Do check the exhaust note. I'm going to start the vehicle. Hope you like the exhaust note, guys. If you have any questions, please drop your questions in the comment box so that I'll help you out with those things. And also please do subscribe my channel CRD Modes, where we will have an updates going forward. So stay tuned to the channel guys. Keep smiling.